So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to find dead inventory in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin, go to Analytics, and open your inventory reports. Export your inventory turnover or percent of inventory sold as a CSV file to capture your current stock metrics. Next, open Claude AI, click the paperclip icon, and upload that inventory spreadsheet. Type this quick execution prompt. Act as an elite retail operations manager. Analyze this Shopify data to identify our zombie SKUs. Specifically, any active products with high stock levels but zero sales velocity over the last 60 days. Calculate the total capital tied up in this dead inventory. Pro tip, don't let the dead stock eat up your warehouse fees. Give Claude a quick follow-up command like, based on these zombie SKUs, design a liquidation strategy, write an enticing buy one get one flash sale bundle. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to find dead inventory in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.